How to set a custom notification sound for specific apps via Settings. 1. On your Android phone, navigate to Settings, Apps. Find and select the app you wish to set a custom tone for. On the App Info page, tap Notifications and toggle on the slider button for Show Notifications. 2. Choose the appropriate notification category and select Alert. Do note that categories will vary across different apps. 3. On the notification category page, scroll down and tap Sound. Then, select your desired notification tone from the list. Like and subscribe for more videos.